guys, so I've been getting a lot of requests for this, so I am going to show it. Typically whenever I do tapestry crochet patterns, I either use a single crochet or a half double crochet. So I'm currently working on a new pattern and it does currently use a single crochet. So I am going to show you how I change colors. I will go ahead and let you know I do the exact same thing whenever I am doing it with a half double crochet. So this is where I'm going to do my first color change stitch. So I'm going to go ahead and just do the regular single crochet over to the stitch right before it. Okay, so here we are. Also, as a note, we are on the back side of this project, so we are on the wrong side. So since we are on the wrong side, we're going to go ahead and get our contrasting color out. So for this project, I'm actually using a yellow for the next color that I'm working with, and this is actually all worked with the We Crochet Dishy yarn. So what we're going to do to attach this, so as you see, I am in the middle of my single crochet. So what you're going to do, leave a little bit so that way you can weave it in. But instead of finishing this stitch out with this blue, you're going to pull this through both stitches, okay? If you do get a little bit of this extra, just go ahead and pull it, okay? And then we are going to take this and we are going to lap it over. And then we are going to go ahead and go into this stitch with the yellow. Now, because I have to switch back to the blue right after this, we are going to take this back. You always want to keep that extra thread towards you whenever you are working on the back side. And then we're going to take our blue, pull it through, then finish the stitch out. So that's what it's going to look like from the back side, and then this is what it's going to look like from the front side. Then let me show you how to do it from the front side. Alrighty, so now we are at the front of my project. So we're right here close. Okay, so I am wanting to put a yellow stitch right here in this prior blue one. So what you can do is go ahead and pick it up from the back. Go ahead and pull it through. Now, like we did on the back side where we pulled this way, because this is the front of your project, you do not want to do that. You keep it all on the back whenever it's the front part of your project. So then we are going to go in here. Then I'm making stitch here and here. Okay, another thing you can do, and sometimes I do recommend this based on whatever project you're working on, is you see this part of your single crochet, that leg, you can use the waistcoat stitch, grab that, go into your single crochet, pull that up, and then change it over. And a lot of times that will give you a little bit straighter of a line whenever you're working with multiple different colors, and if you're working with like triangles or anything where you do have to have very straight lines. So you will have this here, but it is going to, overall for the entire project, as you go further, it definitely helps significantly. So used all the yellow that I needed to for this row. So I'm going to go ahead and make another stitch here with the blue, and then I'm not going to take my yellow with me because my next stitch that I'm going to need for the next row is going to go right here. You can certainly carry it across the entire time. I only carry it where I'm going to need it, and I drop it off where I'm going to need it for the next row. Personal opinion, not how you have to do it, but I try to get as little peep through as possible, but sometimes there's just not a way to avoid it at all. I don't like having bobbins because I get them tangled all the time. So I'm going to go ahead and go through this row, and then I will show you the back again. Alright, so now we are on the back side again. So I'm going to do one single crochet here with the blue, and then I'm going to do a yellow one right here. So take this, because we're on the back side, we're going to pull this over. We're going to pick up our yellow, and we're going to pull it through here. So that way we can start this stitch with the yellow. Crochet over the blue. There we go. This way we can pick up the blue and use it on the other side. But make sure you keep it on this side. Alright, so that's the last yellow I'm going to do for this row. So again, we're going to take our yellow, pull it back here, take our blue, pull it through the yellow, and then start our stitch with the blue. Again, because I'm not going to be needing this all the way at the end, I'm just going to drop it here. Just leave it there. Okay, and that is how I work tapestry crochet with a single crochet. I hope this was super helpful for you, because it will be very helpful whenever I release this pattern for the botanical bag. And it does have the monstera leaf on it, and you will be changing colors multiple times, and this one is worked with a single crochet as well. So definitely hope it helped you out, and let me know if you have any questions.